This little Gifted Underachiever segment is basically how Pat and I say hello once a week when we get together to do our content meetings and just generally shoot the breeze.
Ding, 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 ding. We are here.
Yeah, we need a little, enter the Gifted Underachievers Clubhouse.
Yeah, like a
Please
doorbell.
please check false teeth and heavy metal items at the entrance.
How dare you? Yeah, we need like a, just to totally ignore what you just said, because I'm offended. We need a like a doorbell that sounds like a superhero.
Absolutely. All right, here we go.
Let me get my GU notebook ready. Oh my god.
I gotta get all my stuff. Thanks for listening to Gifted Underachievers. Hope you enjoyed this little segment of silliness. We sure have a lot of fun making this podcast, and I hope it comes through. Take good care and have an awesome day.